Hi my dear students, welcome back to the class. So the last video we have discussed about simple permanent tissue. Okay. So now we are going to discuss the topic complex permanent tissue. So this complex permanent tissue, that tissue consists of more than one type of cells which work together as a unit and perform a common function. Okay. So complex permanent tissue, that is, consists of more than one type of cells. Okay, more than one type of cells and which work together and perform a common function. Okay, that is what complex permanent tissue. Two types of complex permanent tissue, that is xylem and phloem. Okay, xylem and phloem. So this xylem and phloem is called as what? Complex tissue or vascular tissue. Okay, xylem and phloem is called as what? Complex tissue or vascular tissue. They together called as that xylem and phloem. They together form a what? Vascular bundle. Okay. So permanent tissue, that is two types, xylem and phloem. So this xylem and phloem are called as what? Complex tissue or vascular tissue. Okay. And the xylem and phloem, they form together. Okay, xylem and phloem that form together, that is known as what? Vascular disc. Okay, yes. Let us see what is this xylem. So, what is xylem? Xylem, it contains dead tissues. Xylem, that contains dead vascular tissue and it gives the mechanical support. Actually, it is a conducting tissue. The xylem is a conducting tissue. It is composed of vessels, tracheids, fibers and xylem parenchyma. Okay, xylem that composed of tracheids, vessels, fibers and xylem parenchyma. Okay, so this is what xylem. And what are the function of xylem? Xylem that involve the upward transport of water and minerals. Okay, xylem that involve the upward transport of water and minerals from the root to different parts of plant. Okay, and next function, they gives the mechanical strength of plant. Okay, xylem that gives the mechanical strength of plant body. Okay, so this is about what xylem. So xylem, what is xylem? Xylem that contains what? Dead vascular tissues and it is a mechanical tissue. Okay, the xylem that is a conducting tissue and this composed of tracheids, fibers, xylem parenchyma and vessels. Okay, what are the functions of xylem? It involves the upward transportation of water and dissolved minerals from the soil through root to different parts of plant body. Okay, yes. And next is phloem. And this phloem is a living tissue. Phloem, that is a living tissue. It is also what? Conducting tissue. And this contains the different types of cells. Phloem that contains different types of cells such as seed tubes, phloem fibers, phloem parenchyma and companion cells. Okay. And what are the function of phloem? This transport what? Photosynthetically prepared food materials to all parts of the plant body. Phloem that transport the photosynthetically prepared food, okay, food materials to all part of the plant body. Provide the mechanical support of the plant tissue, and this phloem will also provide the mechanical support of the plant tissue. Okay. So what is complex permanent tissue? Complex permanent tissue that consists of more than one type of cells which work together as a unit and it perform a common function. That is known as what? Complex permanent tissue. And there are two types of tissues, that is xylem and phloem. Okay, xylem and phloem, they are called as what? Complex tissue or vascular tissue. Okay, and the xylem and phloem that's combined to form what vascular bundles. Okay, yes. So the xylem, that is a dead tissues, that is conductive tissue. Okay, and the phloem is also phloem, that is living tissue, that is also conducting tissue. Okay, xylem that conducting what, this transport what is the water and minerals, okay, to the different parts of plant body, and phloem that conducting food materials from different parts of the, to different parts of the body, plant body. Okay, I hope all of you understood this topic. Okay, thank you.